What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm going to be taking you through a full what I eat in a day as a vegan of almost 5 years. Currently, I'm at 4 years and 5 months, and this October 1st, it will be my 5 years. So let's get in the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys what I'm making. I was actually moving all day, helping my brother move out of his house, and I'm actually just getting back home right now. It's the evening, so I'm going to show you guys what I have for dinner, but I already filmed what I had before. So for breakfast, I had 2 mangoes, and I also had a big 24-ounce glass of water with lemon and blackstrap molasses. And then for lunch, I had a nice simple curry. And now for dinner, I'm not sure what I'm going to be making, but as soon as I get in the house, I will show you guys that. So let's go. All right, guys, after a long day of moving, this is what I wanted to get in. That curry that I had for lunch was just that good that I actually had some more curry, but this time I put it with quinoa instead of rice. And man, this chickpea curry hits. If you guys want a link to this curry recipe, I'm gonna put it in the top right corner so you guys can see that. Super delicious, very easy to make. This one's a tiny bit different than that one, but for the most part, it's pretty much the same. Nothing beats a good curry. This is an anabolic bowl too. Whole bunch of quinoa, whole bunch of chickpeas, spices, herbs, onions. So I'm gonna finish up this curry, and then I'm gonna unpack my car from all the stuff that's in it, and then I'll be making another meal. So I'll see you guys for the next meal. All right, so I just went for a little night workout at the local pull-up bar near the house at the park, and I got some pull-ups in, some muscle-ups in, and now I am ready to refuel with a smoothie. So let's get into the kitchen. But real quick, I just wanna say I still got my muscle-ups. I got 5 muscle-ups in a row, which is pretty legit because it's been a while since I've done them. And of course, the pull-ups felt great as always due to that 30-day pull-up challenge. If you guys haven't seen my 30-day pull-up challenge, I'm also gonna link that in the top right corner so you guys can see that. Or is this the top right corner? I think it's this one right here. So I'll link that in the top right corner so you guys can see that. Let me know what you guys think. I did 50 pull-ups a day for 30 days straight, no breaks at all, and show you my transformation. So I would love to see what you guys think about that. And now let's get in the kitchen and make this smoothie. All right, guys, cheers. Oh yeah, delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating. I enjoy making these videos, and I promise the next one will be much more in detail with a bunch of different recipes and stuff. This one was kind of just showing you what I eat in a day, no real cooking or anything like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.